Hi everyone, my name is Relebogile Maku. This is part 5 of one of the Job Hunt Masterclass series. In this video, we are going to show you how you can create your CV for free with the Intelligent CV app. So Intelligent CV is an app in which you can create your own CV and download it on your phone. You can download the app on Play Store. You are going to need about 700 megabytes to download the app. Once the app is downloaded, you don't need data to use it, so it's very convenient. Another thing that I like is that you can create multiple CVs. So if you have worked in different industries, it will be easier to have to create two CVs. Another thing that I like is that it makes it easier for you to customize your CV and cover letter for every application. This is going to be a very brief tutorial and not a full-on tutorial about the app. Let's get into the video. In Play Store, you are going to search for Intelligent CV. I already have mine installed, so I'm just going to open it. So this is where you're going to create your profile. As you can see, you can create multiple profiles. So this is where you're going to build your CV. When you fill in your personal details, remember, don't fill in your full address. Just the location is fine, and if you decide to add your picture, it must be a professional picture. This is what the education section looks like. This is what the experience section looks like. Remember to double check your spelling and make sure that you give details about your duties. Don't just write one sentence. This is what the skill section looks like. What I like is that you can always change your skills and highlight the skills that are relevant for each application. So for example, when you are applying for housekeeping roles, you're going to highlight housekeeping skills that are going to help you stand out in that application. When you are adding your skills, you must add each skill separately so that it can be in a point form and not in paragraph form when you print your CV. In the objective section, you're going to give a summary of yourself. The app also has examples where you can draw inspiration from. This is the reference section, but like I said in the previous video, you should rather give references when they are requested during the interview phase. Right, now we move to the cover letter section. Again, the app makes it easier to create a cover letter for every application. I have a separate video on cover letters. If you haven't watched it yet, please do check it out. So as you can see, there are a lot of templates to choose from, but as I have said in the previous video, it's not about the template but about the information you put on your CV, how you are able to showcase your skills, and the attention to detail of every information. So this is how the CV and cover letter will look like, and you can download them on your phone. Please remember to name your documents for ease of reference. That's it for the video, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.